Ready to unlock a world of Web3 opportunities by connecting your OKX wallet to Galxe. First, open your OKX Wallet app on your mobile device. Look for the Discover icon. It might also be labeled as browser depending on your app version. Tap on it. Now, in the search bar of the OKX Wallet browser, type in Galxe.com and hit Enter to navigate to the Galxe website. Once you're on the Galxe homepage, find the Connect Wallet button. It's usually in the top right corner. Give it a tap. A window will pop up presenting you with different wallet choices. Select OKX Wallet from the list. Your OKX wallet will now display a connection request. This is a standard security measure. Carefully review the details to ensure it's Galxe requesting access. If everything looks good, tap the Connect button to authorize the connection between your OKX wallet and Galxe. Congratulations, you should now see your OKX wallet address displayed on the Galxe website, confirming that your wallet is successfully connected. You're now ready to participate in Galxe's Web3 campaigns, claim rewards, and explore the decentralized universe with your OKX wallet.